I used to have to do all this by hand. Yeah, sanding is usually one of the least favorite things about doing this. Then I went to Harbor Freight and got a little orbital sander. Makes it a lot faster. Used to take hours of sanding. Now it just takes almost just minutes, you know. I mean, it's vital to get the sanded between coats. Usually put 2 coats of boat builder's epoxy and 2 coats of varnish, but sanding between coats is really what makes it smooth to the hand. Without the sanding, it would just feel like sandpaper in your hand. It would just eat up your skin really badly. Varnish gives you a nice leathery finish once it finally cures. And you can just spin that thing on your hands and makes handline fishing a whole lot more pleasant than rough sandpaper over your hands, you know.